Mastering everyday English. Button up your shirt. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unpack the phrase, button up your shirt. This might seem like a simple instruction, but it's a great example of how everyday English can be full of nuance. Let's button up our understanding together. Button up your shirt is a phrase that combines an action with a common piece of clothing, the shirt. At its most basic, it means to fasten the buttons on your shirt. This might be a reminder to dress neatly or to prepare for a formal event. But there's more to it than just the literal meaning. This phrase can be used in several contexts. It could be a simple reminder from a parent to a child, a nudge towards professionalism in a workplace setting, or even a caring gesture between friends or partners. The tone and situation greatly affect its meaning. It's important to pay attention to the context in which it's said. Button up your shirt can also carry cultural and social implications. In some cultures, being neatly dressed and having your shirt buttoned up is seen as a sign of respect and professionalism. It might also be tied to social norms and expectations regarding appearance in different settings, from casual to formal. There are variations like, do up your shirt, or button your shirt. Each of these carries the same basic instruction but might be used differently depending on the region or personal preference. It's a great example of how flexible and varied English can be. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, button up your shirt, a bit better. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the context, tone, and situation in which they're used. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to dive into the nuances of English. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.